Hello guys, this is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapap. Today vlog is we're going mukbang again with spaghetti ragu. O diba? I'm gonna well, nothing to do, it's always is mukbang, okay? Now is I think my content is always mukbang eating. O diba? Parang yun lang, matakaw lang. It's only like that. Right? Ayan, guys. So, let us eat now. This is spaghetti ragu. You see? I make a little bit, just a little bit. It's not a little bit. I think this is for 2 person. But you see how I eat. And of course, meron tayong croissant with hot dog. Ayan, mga kalindog. Let us eat this. O, diba? Ayan. So, ayan mga kalindog. Let's eat na. Ang sarap. This is yummy. Ragu. Spaghetti ragu with a lot of cheese. Ayan. This is my cheese order. Oh, the white. You to see. Oh my God, guys. It's really yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Para sa karating bayan. Kaya ang dumadayo dito para mamili. Ipinahayag ni Adarna.
So yummy. Ayan guys, let's eat. This is my my lunch and dinner.
Anya, kailangan pagandahin at linisin ang pamilihan para mas maging kaaya-aya at mas dadami ang mamili.
So guys,
ang kita ng mga nagtitinda o mas maayos ang lahat dito.
Remember, we need to eat moderately, okay? I didn't say you need to eat like this too much, or if you can eat like a 2 portion, yes, you can eat. But if you're not, for example, you're not healthy, for example, you're high blood, don't eat like this. Guys, I'm hungry. That's why I eat like this. You see? It's yummy mga kalindog. Ayan. You know this ragu, it's really a fresh. I got the meat in the what batcha. Yummy yun. Okay guys, there is the cheese, okay? The white cheese. Really yummy mga kalindog. Talagang sarap-sarap niya. Yeah, because I'm tired guys, I make a biking. I went outside for biking. Ayan, so kaya nag-ano ka. Yummy. Ang sarap mga kalindog.
Nakikita yan sa mga kabataan. Kung sila lalo na.
Ayan, di ba? Nudak sandali. Hi. Sarap. Ayan, ano ba yung ating, ayan. Let us congratulate our new president in the Philippines, Bongbong Marcos. Ayan guys, we have to accept all people in the Philippines. Ayan, Bongbong Marcos, our new president. Ayan, elected by the 31 billion people. I mean, million. Ayan. Guys, ayan. I'm happy because Marcos will be back again in Malacanang. And let us him congratulate. Congratulate Mr. President Bongbong Marcos. Ayan. O, diba? Right? Ang sarap. I really do enjoying my spaghetti. Diba? There we go. Guys. Di ba mga kalindog? Yummy! And of course, you have the water. The natural water. Ayan. Natural water. O, di ba? I don't wanna drink today the beer, guys. Dahil I'm getting drunk again. Oh my God. Because if I drink beer, I'm gonna be sleepy again. Ayan mga kalindog. O, diba? Ang sarap. Ayan, ang ating spaghetti. Almost done, guys. Ayan. Diba? Yummy. Diba? Guys, ang spaghetti, we need to eat when it's still warm. Dahil, warm is so good for the winter and cold time. But now it's summer here. Ayan, but it's okay. And guys, let's eat, enjoy life. Tandaan niyo yan. Remember, life is too short. We need to eat, but moderately. Not eating like what I'm doing. Charot. Diba mga kalindog? And with this croissant. And guys, let us say hi to Nikki also. Nikki's journeys in the Philippines. Hi, Nina. I miss you. Ayan, how are you ka na in the Philippines? Ayan. Guys, Nikki soon, she will go back again in Europe. Ayan. Okay? I miss Nikki's journey. Ayan. Hindi ba mga kalindog? There we go. So guys, ayan o, almost done. Oh my God, I'm eating so fast, right? So ayan, say also hi, let us say also hi to Jason Peach, because Jason Peach is not anymore always come to my live. Ayan, Jason, what happened to you, Jason? How are you? Ayan, hi Jason. I miss you also, Jason. Okay? Ayan guys. Almost done my food. O, di ba? Yummy. Ayan guys. Almost done. Oh my God. Mga kalindog, I really enjoy my spaghetti. Ayan. Ang sarap. But I miss also, namimiss ko na guys yung Filipino food. Ayan, of course, I wanna go home, but I cannot leave always my dog. Ayan guys. But anyways, guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. Yan. And thank you for all. Ayan. For always support me. Yummy. Guys, oh my God. I love eating so much, you know. I'm not smoking. No drinking. Yes, I drinking moderately, but not too much. Ayan. Ayan guys. Yummy. One more guys. Ayan. One more. Bottoms up. Ayan guys. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you. And I hope did you enjoy my spaghetti mukbang. O diba? Guys, because I'm not always live making, so that's why I make often only the post. So I need to make all like something like this, so to make something post for my YouTube. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye. I love you. Don't forget to smile. Bye.